Welcome to this class. In this class, we'll be dealing on how to hash our eggs. Okay, so what do we start with? What we have here is soaked gari. Okay, soaked gari, and here is the bowl we want to use. We turn our soaked gari into our bowl. What we have here is starter. Okay, starter, chicken starter, the one we used to feed the newly gotten chickens. Okay, we pour it inside. What we have here is the chaff gotten from palm fruit, chaff apple, banga chaff. After you remove the water you want to use and cook your soup, the chaff that come out of the palm nuts. Okay, we pour inside. What we have here is water leaves, vegetable water leaves. We pour inside. Then lastly, what we have here is rice bran. Okay, rice bran. We pour our rice bran inside. Then what next? We add our water. Okay, add water to paste, not much water. Add water to paste. Look at what we have here now. This is for hashing the eggs. Okay, this is not for attractant, it's for egg hatchery. So make sure you get them together. Okay, make sure they're not dry and they're not much watery. So here we have the hatchery substrates, the hatchery food for. We need to add little more water so it will be easy for them to feed when they hatch. Okay, we are doing it for the sake of this training. We are supposed to leave it to ferment. Okay, but you can still do it. It ferments before tomorrow, and next the egg will hatch. So look at what we have here. Look at how it is. If you have PK, pancake cake, you can use. Okay, but we've used the starter to replace the PK because we don't have that presently. But if you have that, you can add. So we're going to divide this into two because we'll not be using one bowl. Okay, we're going to divide it into two in our different bowls. So here are the bowls, here are the feeds. Okay, so what do we do next? Look at this sieve. So here we have the sieve. This sieve is what we'll be using. And look at these nets. Okay, look at them. Then what do? You turn it front side down. Make sure you use it to cover the feed. So here is the egg. You may see the egg looking tiny, but this is great. Okay, lots of maggots will be coming out of this egg you are seeing. So you use this net, you put it here. Okay, the little eggs you are seeing here now is 10 grams. Okay, 10 grams. So we're going to divide it into two. Okay, we divide it into two because when it comes out, this cannot be able to contain it. So here we have it. It doesn't matter. Okay, here we have the eggs. So look at what we have achieved here.